and finish and merge finish. So these are all options about this mailing review. So next tab is review. In review, spelling and grammar, word count, check accessibility, translate language, new comment, track changes. So tracking commands, language, proofing, changes, compare, protect, and ink. So we will open our this document and we need some text for review. So spelling and grammar, typo not on our watch. Let us check your spelling and grammar. So it will show a red line if there is any wrong spelling. So when you will click, this panel will open. So how is wrong? You can ignore all and you can add. You will see this blue line. So it's grammar mistake. You can ignore or you can select correct grammar. So click on change. Spelling and grammar check is complete. At a loss of at a loss for words, let us suggest another way to say what you mean. We couldn't find any similar. So you will find some possible word which you can use here. Insert a copy. Like fine. So you can use okay, good, reasonable, sufficient, acceptable. Word count. Words, characters, lines. We count them so you don't have to. To see the word count at a glance, check out the status bar. So page 1 words 8 character, no spaces 29, with space 34. Paragraphs 4, lines 5. Include text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes. Check accessibility. No accessibility issues found. People with disabilities should not have difficulty reading this document. So it's good sign for this document. So you will see this panel, and if there is any issue, so you will find here information in this panel. To want to delete this panel, click this cross icon. Translate. Translate content into a different language. Using the Microsoft Translator online service. Translate document. Translate your document using an online translation service. Send a copy of your document to an online translation service. The translation will appear in a new window. Translate selected text. Translate the selected text into a different language. Mini translator. Pause on words and selected paragraphs for a quick translation. Choose translation language. You can translate text in your document using Word, the mini translator, and a number of online translation service. Choose the language you'd like these features to use. So firstly, translate document. Choose the translation languages. So translate from this language, translate to. So select language like Hindi. Choose mini translator language. So we will select Urdu. Then click on OK. To translate your document, next will be sent over the internet in a secured format to Microsoft or a third-party translation service provider. Do you want to proceed? Click on yes. So now we have this translation service